If you dream of creating a Roblox game but think it's impossible without programming or modeling skills, you're wrong. With Roblox Studio's new AI tools, anyone can build a game using only prompts. It doesn't matter if you're new to this. In this video, I'll prove you can create your first Roblox game from scratch as a beginner and start earning real money. Hit the like button so this video reaches more people like you. And the first step for us to create our game on Roblox is to open your browser, go to the search bar, and type this in. Now we're going to click on the first official Roblox link because once we're logged in with the account we want to use to create our minigame, we'll go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Create. And right next to it, we're going to select Creations. To create a game from scratch, we're going to click on this blue button to create a new experience. The next step is to install Roblox Studio on our device. Alright, after downloading Roblox Studio, we're going to click on it and it will automatically open. Inside the Roblox Studio panel, we're going to click on Templates. Right here, you'll see a bunch of pre-made games you can use. But if you want to create a game from scratch, just click on this first button. And here, the Roblox Studio screen will appear so you can set up the game however you like. But in my case, since I want to create a parkour game, and I know a lot of you do too, to make things easier for us beginners, I'm going to click on this pre-made template. Because, as you can see when this screen loads, our obby already has some features. And we can even test it by clicking this little play button. And right here is our hobby. And to stop testing our game, let's click on Stop. And coming back to this main area, as you can see under Home, some options appear here, like adding a block. And right here you can see that we add this block like this. Then right next to it, several properties of the block appear for us to change, like its color for example. By clicking on it, you can open up a range of different colors to choose from. Now, I'm gonna select the Move button and place it at my next obstacle, which in this case goes right here. By clicking on Scale, I can also change the size of my obstacle block. And leaving it more or less like this, when we hit play to test, you can see that our block ends up falling. Because for our block to float in this space, we need to click this little anchor button here. When we hit play again, you can see that our block stays right where we left it. And besides that, with our little block, we can also change the material to whatever look we prefer, like brick or several other types of materials. Okay, and the second button you can also click on is Terrain. Right here, you'll basically have the ground for you to shape however you like best. And now, by clicking this little button right here, you can select the model that people will use to play your minigame, like R15, which is the most basic and standard model for all Roblox avatars, or even other models you want to use to create avatars inside the game. And this fourth button is basically where the cherry on top is, where most people get scared, the script. And this is the part where you write the commands for your game to work the right way. But if you don't know anything about programming, just like me, we're gonna enable this secret AI by clicking this little button in the upper right corner of the screen. At this point, a dialog pops up so we can send prompts to Roblox Studio's own AI. And with this Roblox Studio AI, we can create items, ask questions, or even develop scripts, even if we don't know anything. For example, by typing in this prompt, create a 1x1 red block that explodes when the player touches it. When I hit enter, it'll create the item for our game just the way I asked. And right here in my game, you can see that the block is being created. And right here, the option already pops up for us to check the script to see if the AI did it correctly. And right here, you can see the code that the AI automatically wrote for us for that item. And for this, I didn't have to do anything. Just with a simple prompt, I ended up creating this item. Now we're gonna accept this script. And check this out. Like magic, when we touch this red block, we end up exploding. And with this little block in hand, now I'm gonna create a level. And right here is the first obstacle in my obby, which when I touch it, I end up exploding. And here, I'm asking the AI to add a timer effect for the player, so when they're doing the obstacles, they can see their time. With the effect created, now I'm gonna review the script and just look at how much code showed up in my game in just a few seconds, even though I don't understand any of it. Now I'm gonna accept it. With a touch of magic, you can see that a timer appears in the upper corner of my game screen. Now for my next mission, I'm gonna place a really tall block for people to jump over and just watch what happens. Well, as you can see, my character can't jump over this obstacle by himself. But when I go to Roblox's AI and use this prompt, here I'm asking Roblox's AI to create a double jump at this part. And when I hit enter, in the blink of an eye, the prompt that the AI created from my game already appears here. Now I'm gonna accept it. And now, when we jump, you can see that we end up getting past this obstacle. Well, besides that, with the Roblox Studio password in the upper corner of the screen, when we click on the little avatar button, here you can configure the characters that exist in your minigame. For example, by clicking this button, right below, you'll see a list of avatars that are set up for your game. In my case, I haven't created any yet. Then, by clicking this third little button, here is your user interface, and by clicking this button, you can see that this screen appears for every player who enters my minigame. You can even change its layout, or even its color. And when we click on script, right here, you'll see all the scripts present in your minigame. And you can even check if your game is working correctly, and if there are no bugs. And a really cool thing is that when you click on models, you can add even more detail to your minigame. For example, by clicking on effects, when we select the fire effect and click on a random item, you can see that our item starts to catch fire. And we can apply several effects like this to items scattered throughout the game. Like, for example, the smoke effect when we click on this item. Check out how it ends up looking. And if you've made this item and want to replicate it for other obstacles in your game, you just need to click on it. Now, by going to the move button, we're going to press the copy button on our keyboard, and when we paste it, you'll see that two identical items appear, so we can place them wherever we want on our map. And the coolest part to make our game look even better is that we're going to click on plugins. You can change the sky theme of your minigame, for example, making it pink. Look how different it turns out. Alright, and the next really interesting feature, for those of you who are beginners in Roblox Studio, now we're going to click on Home and then go to the toolbox button. And right here, a bunch of ready-made plugins will show up for you to use, even for free in your minigame. But if you want more features, there are even paid plugins available. But check this out. For example, this sky plugin right here, when I click on it, you can see our game looks even more realistic. Just look at that. And the best part is that it's completely free for those of you who are just starting out. So scrolling down a bit here, there are several plugins that are totally free and will definitely be really useful for your minigame creation. For example, this plugin is going to be really interesting for us to use in our parkour game because by clicking on it, we enable it and it already comes with some ready-made scripts. Now we just need to move it to wherever we want. For example, right here, you can see that these blocks perform teleports. So we can add them to a mission in our obby completely for free and with some ready-made scripts. So for example, just by clicking on this red block, when I place it in the next mission and hit enter, now when I step on this little block, you can see that I get teleported. And the second really interesting prompt, check out this one right here. When I select it along with this script, I end up getting several little powers to use in my obby. And look at how they turn out. And when I step on them, I can even earn Robux for every purchase people made. So every time someone buys the item, they can use it to get advantages in the game. But you need to do this together with the Roblox Studio AI. And check out this obby mission here that we can add to our minigame just by clicking on it. And now we're going to adjust this position exactly how we want it to be. By doing this, for example, in this mission, we need to step on the correct blocks, because if we step on the wrong ones, we end up falling. So this plugin can really optimize your time when creating an obby in Roblox. Well guys, but I don't recommend using too many of these plugins, because some of them might be questionable and could end up bugging your game. So be very careful before using them. Alright, and here in my game, to add the next mission, I'm gonna click on the previous checkpoint and make a copy of it. By doing this, I end up copying all the scripts along with it, so I don't have to program everything again, because as soon as I complete this mission, the checkpoint saves. That way, every time I fall into the void, I end up returning to the spot where I left off. Oh, and if you have a friend who wants to create the game with you, you just need to click in the upper right corner of the screen, right here on this little button, and you can add your friend. Alright, with my Roblox game set up like this, now I'm gonna add some color to make it look a bit nicer. Alright guys, as you can see, I made my game more colorful and as a result, much cuter and nicer for an obby game. Now, to actually save it in our Roblox so other people can play too, we're gonna go to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Save to Roblox. By doing this, the first step is to give our Roblox game a name, which in my case, I'm gonna set as... After entering the title of our minigame here, right below you can add a description for your game, where you can give a bit more detail. Right down here, you'll specify the developer of the minigame. In my case, it's me. Or, if you have a group, you can also set it as your Roblox group. And right here below, we're gonna select the devices that are supported for our minigame. If your game is available for all devices, just enable all of them. And now, by clicking the save button, our minigame is saved successfully. So every time you want to update your game on Roblox, you'll come to this little button. And here on the same screen, we're gonna click on publish to Roblox so the game gets updated. But don't leave the video yet, because the most important part is still coming up. Even though our game has been saved, it's still not available to everyone. So to do that, we're gonna close our Roblox Studio. And by opening the Roblox website that we visited earlier, we're gonna click on the create button. Let's select the account where we created our game. And then when we go to creations, right below you can see our obby that was just created. Now we're gonna click on the mini game, and then on the left side of the screen we'll go to settings. And here you'll see all the details of your mini game, where you can change your game's cover to make it even more attractive, so when people see it in the Roblox catalog, they'll want to click on it. After setting your game's cover, now we're gonna save it. And Roblox will go through a review process to check if your game's cover complies with their privacy policies. Meanwhile, we're also gonna add a banner to our mini game to make it even more eye-catching. And now we'll wait a few minutes until Roblox finishes its review. So after adding some really eye-catching covers to our minigame, right below you'll see the name and our description in case you want to change anything. And for the third requirement, we're gonna select the category for our minigame. In our case, it's obby and platform. And if you want to get even more detailed, you can also add a subgenre. After doing that, right below, we'll click on the public mode. And one sad thing is that, unfortunately, with Roblox's new update, a bunch of new policies have been implemented for publishing your game. So it's really worth checking out these policies before you create anything. Because after publishing our game, right below, we'll click the Save Changes button. Then, opening up the Roblox app, when we go to our profile where we created our minigame and scroll down a bit to the group where I put the game, you can see that our minigame has really been successfully posted on Roblox. And now I just need to click the play button, and as you can see, our game loads, so we can complete the missions.